luxurious queens, welcome back to Life with Lokie, and it was so much fun checking out the Paris luxury outlet shopping at Lovely Outlet. And if you missed that two-part video of my shopping vlog, be sure to find the links in the description section below, and you can check out all the discounts going on at Lovely Outlet shopping there. And now presenting to you my very first Coach bag and unboxing. For those of you new here, hello queens, my name is Lokie and I enjoy luxury, fashion, bargain hunting, looking for pre-loved luxury and deals, and especially shopping for MS. So if you're into content like this, then I would love to invite you to join my corner and subscribe, because it would help my channel grow within the YouTube algorithm and reach out to more luxury lovers or even ladies starting out in their luxury journey. And of course, do me a favor and hit that bell for support. Well, just a disclaimer first, the Lovely Outlet shopping was done really early in my trip, way before all the Hermes appointment and my new Birkin, as I wanted to check out what was on sale early on in the trip. So in terms of the order of my videos, it's a little bit messy, but just so you know, this shopping outlet was one of the first few places we went. Anyhow, I was all hyped out about the outlet shopping and was hoping to bag a few goodies from there, but it was raining quite heavily that day and it really kind of dampened our moods. But, here is my score, and would you like to guess? You can put your guesses below and just guess what Lokie would buy from Coach. Given that she is such a crazy fan of Hermes, well, I also wonder. But I must say, I took almost less than 5 minutes in deciding on this one. And now introducing to you, and of course you must know that the outlet boutiques are no frills boutique, so this did not come with any box or ribbons. Introducing to you with lots of ASMR noise, this is the Coach Katie Satchel in cream in gold hardware. And isn't she beautiful? She's so pretty, right? Look at that. Gorgeous. Now, at the outlet store, it was having already discounted prices on all their bags, and during the period I was there, they had an additional 30% off the discounted price, which sweetened the deal. Apparently, some bags have that red stickers on the price tag, which also means that it has already been further marked down, either to clear stock or they are already in their last few pieces. And I found this beauty with the red sticker and with additional 30% off, and immediately I secured the bag. As for this year's luxury bag goals, I actually aim to curate a more neutral bag collection, so this bag came at the right time. I actually also used this bag during the trip, so as it is so convenient, so you will find some of the paper wrappings and like there's some stuffings inside. I've already ripped them all off. This satchel is in cross-grained leather in cream color, and it comes with 2 handles. I am not too familiar with Coach and the various Coach designs, but somehow this silhouette reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Elma or even the Hermes Bullitt bag, and I love how classic this shape looks. Well, I love this gorgeous, sweet, dangly charm here, and it says Coach New York. And what's even better is that it also came with this shoulder strap, which is so convenient because it is both adjustable, and I will show you how to clip it on later, which makes it so easy to carry crossbody. Well, usually I'm not a crossbody bag kind of person, but I must say when I used it in Paris, the shoulder strap option is such a lifesaver. Well, I did try to carry it as a top handle like this by tucking the shoulder strap inside the bag, and of course when the situation calls for it, then I will just pick it out to use as a shoulder strap. Another amazing thing about this Katie satchel is the very sleek back pocket here. You can see it is not very obvious, but a more hidden zipper at the back. So this came in handy for train tickets and loose change for me, so I really love this. overall, this bag came at an absolute deal, and if I recall correctly, it cost me about 110 euros. And this is before the tax refund as well. Another amazing feature is that this bag has 4 feet in gold hardware, which also means the leather below is protected. And that is amazing for us bag lovers because we want our bags to last us a long time and not wear out too quickly. And internally, it is lined in canvas and it has, well, one internal pocket, which is another useful feature. The canvas material, I must say, makes it very lightweight and overall great for a whole day of running errands or shopping in my case. Well, to be honest, I have never looked at Coach in so much detail, but I must say that this bag is very well thought through and there is basically nothing I can fault about it. I'm so glad to add this Katie satchel to my bag collection, and perhaps I may start dipping my toes into Coach in future, as I feel that they have excellent leathers to start with and recently have very lovely designs and colors in their bag catalog. Hi Queen, so we have my Coach Katie satchel in close up here, and let's just have a good look at it. So it comes in cream color leather and we have beautiful gold hardware. Up on the front, basically we have very beautiful the Coach logo. We have the horse carriage and it says New York below. So this is in cross grain leather, and further up we have this really beautiful dangly charm. It says Coach New York. On the flip side, it's blank and I still have the stickers on. If we look even in detail, the studs here says Coach all around, and further up where the handles are, you will find a hidden D-ring at one of the corners, and this is where we attach the shoulder strap too. Now on the other side of the handles, I've actually added a twilly of my own, and we have a similar D-ring here. And so basically this is where you attach the other part of the shoulder strap. Alright, so this is how the bag looks from the front, and if we flip it to the side, it really looks like the Louis Vuitton Elma. So the zipper, I think, let's see how many. Yes, so there are 2 zippers, one on each side, and it looks exactly the same. The zipper pull, it says Coach New York as well, on both sides. And now let's turn it to the back, and this is how it looks at the back. I really like this hidden back zipper. You can tell Coach has actually put in some effort to make it so sleek. If not for these 2 openings for the zipper pull, we actually have it quite like a hidden zipper compartment. So I still haven't removed some of like the bits and bobs, but I think we still have some of like the receipts. Let's see. Oh yes, we still have. So this is in chalk color. Yeah, it's in chalk. Yeah, but yes, I still have this. I didn't know that. Sorry about it. And so this is how the bag looks. Shall we look at it on the inside, interiorly? Well, this is how the bag looks interiorly, and let's just move it around. So I still have the, hang on. So I still have one of this. The zipper pull is still in the wrapper, and then can you see that? So it has like a Coach tag here, and it is cloth. I think it's cloth or canvas line. It has a inner zippered compartment, and the other side is blank. I still have my shoulder straps in there. So this is my beautiful Coach Katie satchel. Isn't she lovely? Well, it certainly is a blessing to have got this beautiful Coach Katie satchel at a fraction of the boutique price, although I regret not getting a matching card holder and coin pouch at the outlet shop. I was honestly busy filming around the shop and really forgot to shop a bit harder. Anyhow, thank you for watching my first Coach bag unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed this video and do hit that like button. Of course, if you have not subscribed, please do, because it will help my channel grow and find more like-minded luxury queens. Well, I am so excited to use this bag and put some wear into it, and let's see how this bag holds up in the long run. So I will be sure to do a review for this in the near future. Stay tuned and see you next week, queens. Goodbye!